So recently I got 100 subscribers on YouTube, so I decided to do a Q&A. Actually, I asked you guys on Discord and you guys agree with me that I should make a Q&A video. So yeah, so all you have to do is just leave a comment down below. Or maybe you can go on my Discord server and find a Q&A channel and then leave your question down there. I will go answer them. Yeah, make sure to subscribe to stay tuned with the Q&A video. So yeah, guys, thank you for supporting. Yeah, thank you. That's my first milestone, like my first big milestone.